All right, we are keeping you updated on the latest with Hurricane Matthew and your local forecast. The rain and wind we've been seeing lately is from nor'easter, and so we're not even to what we can expect with Hurricane Matthew yet, but it is making for higher than normal high tides as well as breezy conditions with those showers and even an isolated thunderstorm or two wandering on shore. Here's the latest track. Notice it does bring it closer to the Florida coastline south of us. That's good news. If it were to move in closer along the coastline down near Daytona, that would significantly weaken some of the impact we would see, and that would be good. We will keep an eye on it. Notice that they are expecting it to pass by our area, sideswiping us as a Category 4 very powerful storm. Here's a look at the GFS model, one of those that we've been following pretty closely, showing it increasing to a Category 4 before moving on shore in between Fort Lauderdale and Daytona, and then moving up along our coastline, bringing us heavy wind, rains, and of course the possibility for storm surge before moving offshore of the Carolinas and back out into the Atlantic. So let's talk about what you're going to see. If you're at the beaches, you're going to see gusty winds. They're going to be sustained around 70 miles per hour, and we could see gusts double that. You can expect 6 to 10 inches of flooding from rain, the possibility for isolated tornadoes, and 3 to 7 feet of storm surge with likely power outages. If you're along the metro area, we're talking Arlington, downtown, Orange Park, we are going to see 60 mile per hour sustained winds with gusts higher than that, 4 to 6 inches of rain from flooding, the isolated possibility for tornadoes, 1 to 3 feet of storm surge, and likely power outages. On the west side, we're talking down in Green Cove Springs as well as up to Folkestone, and in McClinney we're talking 45 mile per hour sustained winds, 2 to 4 inches of rain from flooding, isolated possibility for tornadoes, no real risk for storm surge, and scattered power outages. Southeastern Georgia, we are particularly worried about the Golden Isles for storm surge. You're going to see the worst of the storm surge because of the way the coastline is shaped, 6 to 9 feet of storm surge and likely power outages, 6 to 10 inches of rain flooding, and 75 mile per hour sustained winds with gusts even higher than that, possibly double that. And so southeastern Georgia will see the worst storm surge. St. Simon's Island, Jekyll Island, and Golden Isles will be in the line of fire for that rushing water. And we have all the resources you need at your fingertips at news4jax.com, as well as on air. We are going on air starting tomorrow morning, probably before you wake up, and we will stay on until the danger has passed from Hurricane Matthew. I'm meteorologist Rebecca with your instant weather update.